There we go, bro. Damn! Bro, this is crazy, though. Damn. Bro. Nah, it's tough. It's tough, bro. Damn, bro, it's so fucking fire. Bro, it sounds crazy. I didn't even know this could do that much, I'll be real. I didn't know it was gonna go crazy, bro.
You might catch some little flames coming
Yeah?
out at night, yeah.
Bro, yes.
Like,
Sick.
look
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. This look way better. This right here did a lot too. All right, bro.
All right, bro.
Bless, bro. Let me pop this shit real quick. Dude, that shit's not even normal, bro. What the fuck? Bro, why you so scared, bro? That's not even bad. Chill. This shit nice, man. This shit is very fucking nice, bro.